Hey guys, welcome to another video of Penzance, and today I'm at Cheltenham Spa, located on the Great Western Main Line. The train here is 17203. This is going to be forming the 1446 Transport for Wales Surface to Maesteg. It's formed by one of the last ever 170s I might actually see before they get replaced by Class 231s in March. Coming in very soon is going to be the 1440 Cross Country service to Manchester Piccadilly from Bristol Temple Meads. It's formed of a double pairing of Class 220s. Should be coming in any second. Yeah, without further ado, let's get started here at Cheltenham Spa. Okay, just pulled in is the 1440 Cross Country service to Manchester Piccadilly from Bristol Temple Meads. It's formed of a double pairing of Class 220s with 220.016 leading. The 1446 to Maesteg isn't going to be going for a bit because it's really early. So, yeah, the Class 170s are being replaced soon, so better make the most of them while I can. But yeah, the Manchester services come in. We'll see it when it goes out in a minute. Alright, going out now is the 1440 Cross Country service to Manchester Piccadilly from Bristol Temple Meads. On the front is 220.016. We'll see the rear when it goes out a bit further. Rear of that is 220.023. Off that goes to Manchester Piccadilly. Alright, going out now is the 1446 Transport for Wales service to Maesteg, run by 17203. Like I said, those are being replaced in March with Class 231s. But even though I've never been on one of them, I'm going to miss them. But, okay. Off that goes to Maesteg. Next stop is Gloucester. Coming in now is the 1452 cross-country service from Edinburgh to Plymouth, formed of a single Class 220. I'm guessing this should be 220.032, but I might be wrong. It is indeed 220.032. I don't think I've seen this one yet, so that's another one to tick off in my book. Oh god, it's so bright. So yeah, see this one go out soon. Alright, going out now is the 1452 Cross Country service to Plymouth from Edinburgh, run by 220.032. I don't know why people hate those trains. They're quite good. I went on one yesterday and it was actually a nice journey. Don't know why people hate them. Alright, let's see what's next to come. Coming in now is the 1459 Great Western Railway service to Swindon. It is going to be 802.013 again. So instead of going to London Paddington, it's going just to Swindon. This one's called Michael Eavis. I'm going to be getting the 1559 back to Stroud, so there'll be more trains to come after this one, thankfully. So this has just come ECS back into the station from Alstone Sidings. See that go right in a minute. Alright, going now is the 1459 Cross Country service from Cardiff Central to Birmingham New Street. And so is the Swindon service. This one is 173.98. That's off to Birmingham New Street, and that one is off to Swindon. Wow, it's so bright. So yeah, off goes 802.013 to Swindon, and at the same time off goes 170.398 to Birmingham New Street. Alright, coming in now is the 1515 Cross Country service to Cardiff Central, formed of another 3-car Turbostar. It is 170.637. And I believe coming in any minute is going to be the Edinburgh service. In fact, there's the announcement now, so it should be coming in any second. Okay, so the 1515 to Edinburgh has just pulled in. It's behind 176.37, which is now actually going to depart. This one's going to Cardiff Central. And the number of that Voyager is 221.120, that one is. See that go out in a minute. Alright, going out now is the 1515 Cross Country service to Edinburgh. Oh my days, that is powering its way out, and it is a double pairing, with the rear being 221.127. Jesus, that was so quick. Anyway, that now. Alright, coming in now is the 1523 Great Western Railway service from Worcester Foregate Street to Westbury. It is formed of a 3-car turbo. It looks like it's in the old First Great Western livery, and it is indeed in the First Great Western livery. And this one is 166.202. And blimey, that is full. Anyways, we'll see that when it goes out in a minute. Alright, going out now is the 1523 Great Western Railway service to Westbury from Worcester Foregate Street, ran by 166.202. Off that goes to Westbury. That now calls at Gloucester, Cavendersley, Yate, Bristol Parkway, Filton Abbey Wood, Bristol South Meads, Keynsham, Oldfield Park, Bath Spa, Freshford, Avon-Cliff, Bradford-on-Avon, Trowbridge and Westbury. Alright, let's see what's next to come. Alright, coming in now is the 1529 Great Western Railway service from London Paddington. It's going to terminate here and form my train home. This one is 800.022. This is going to be forming my train back to Stroud at 15:59. Okay, passing through now is a Class 66 going somewhere. $66,207. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. That was unexpected, but oh my god, that was incredible. Anyways, this one will be the next to go. Alright, going out now is 800.022 going ECS into Alstone Sidens. service boards up there are already ready. Those are really quiet when they're gone past. Like when they come past you, they're like super quiet. But yeah, that's gonna be from the 1559 later. Coming in now is the 1548 Great Western Railway service from Westbury to Worcester Foregate Street. It's ran by another Great Western Railway turbo, but this time it's green and the number is 166219, one off of 166220. And also coming in behind me is the Penzance service, but it's a bit far away at the minute, so I'll record that in a separate clip. But anyway, there's that. We'll see that go out shortly, hopefully, if the Cross Country HST is not in the way. Alright, coming in now is the 1552 Cross Country service to Penzance from Glasgow Central. It's strangely ran by a HST instead of a Voyager. The front of this is 43303. Charging its way in like it always does. And also when I record this leave, I'm going to go to the other side of the platform. And on the rear is 43239. I'm going to go to the other end of the platform to record this leave. Alright, going out now is the 1552 Cross Country service to Penzance. Ran by 43303 and 43239. With 43239 at the rear, absolute beast. That one's going to call up Bristol Parkway, Bristol Temple Meads, Taunton, Tiverton Parkway, Exeter St David's, Newton Abbot, Totnes, Plymouth, Liscard, Bodmin Parkway, St Austell, Truro, Redroof, St Earth and Penzance. Been looking forward to seeing that all day.